room for about 240 people to see the play. But by this point, in 1953, so many people had heard about Beckett, had heard about this play. The play had actually been published. This is a fairly typical practice at the time where playwrights would publish plays and then they'd have a production, whereas today we usually production first and then publication. Many people have read Thomas Cromwell's Letter and been really excited about it. So